Kati ya nyumba na ndege gani inapaa?
Pardon?
Amka ndio ufanye kazi.
Kati ya nyumba na ndege gani inapaa?
Ndege.
Ndege inapaa. Na nyumba?
Sijui.
Rumors, innuendo, conjecture.
Love language yako ni gani?
Gifting.
Gifting.
Yes.
So how many other love languages do you know?
See, they're usually 5 plus a 6th one that I added.
Oh, which one did you add?
Money.
Tumeshangaa sana.
Money.
Yes.
So if I want you, I have to have money.
See, money is the root cause of everything. You cannot do anything without money.
Okay. So I have to have money, sindio?
Yes.
So do you know my other nickname is Kinoti?
You get it?
I do not know.
We can meet on Koinange.
Hauwezi elewa.